OLED gaming monitors have been increasingly popular over the past few years, especially among enthusiasts looking for the best possible image quality and motion clarity. At the same time, competitive gamers continue to chase higher refresh rates for smoother gameplay and lower latency. Usually, choosing between those two experiences means making compromises. That's where the 2026 Samsung Odyssey OLED G7 comes in. This is a 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor with a unique trick up its sleeve, Samsung's dual-mode technology. Essentially, Samsung is pitching this as one premium monitor that can do both. But how well does it actually perform in the real world? Let's get into it. Samsung sticks to its familiar Odyssey design language, but the OLED G7 looks cleaner and more premium this time around. It has a slim panel, minimal bezels, and a modern rear design that doesn't go overboard with the gamer look. The panel is very thin, giving the display a more premium appearance than most LCD gaming monitors. Build quality is solid, and the stand offers pivot, height, tilt, and swivel adjustments. Being a 32-inch monitor, it will take a fair amount of desk space, especially if you plan to sit close enough to fully enjoy the 4K OLED panel. The flat panel design is also a practical choice. Unlike Samsung's more aggressive curved Odyssey models, the flat layout here feels more practical for mixed usage scenarios like productivity, editing, competitive gaming, and even media consumption. Overall, for design, the Odyssey OLED G7 strikes a nice balance between gamer aesthetics and a cleaner premium setup. The monitor uses a 32-inch QD-OLED panel with a 4K resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, and a pixel density of 166 ppi. At this size and resolution, everything looks sharp from in-game textures to desktop text and media content. Image quality is where OLED really stands out. Colors look incredibly vibrant with support for up to 98.5% DCI-P3 coverage, while OLED's per-pixel lighting delivers perfect blacks and outstanding contrast. Dark scenes in games especially benefit from this, giving nighttime environments and HDR content a much more immersive experience. While full-screen brightness won't rival mini LED monitors, in our opinion, OLED contrast helps highlights stand out beautifully, especially in darker rooms. Motion clarity is also a strong point. Samsung rates the panel at 0.03 millisecond response time, and with dual mode enabled, it can run up to 330Hz refresh rates. Ghosting is basically a non-issue, and motion remains impressively sharp even during shaky scenes. One of the biggest highlights here is Samsung's dual mode feature, like I keep mentioning. By switching from 4K 165Hz to Full HD 330Hz, users can essentially tailor the monitor depending on the type of game they're playing. For visually intensive AAA titles like Spider-Man 2, the 4K OLED experience looks stunning. But for competitive FPS titles like Valorant, CS2, or anything alike, switching to 330Hz prioritizes speed and responsiveness instead. It's a useful feature for gamers who regularly jump between cinematic and competitive experiences. That said, running Full HD on a 32-inch display does come with some softness in image clarity compared to native 4K. Still, for esports-focused gaming, where frame rate and motion clarity matter more, it's an understandable trade-off. The monitor also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, helping reduce tearing and stuttering for smoother gameplay across different GPU setups. Outside gaming, the OLED G7 also works well for content consumption and productivity thanks to its sharp 4K resolution, vibrant OLED panel, and excellent viewing angles. For ports, the Odyssey OLED G7 includes HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, a USB port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and DC-in. The monitor also supports VESA mounting if you prefer using a third-party monitor arm for a cleaner setup. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G7 feels like Samsung's attempt at creating the ultimate 32-inch all-around gaming monitor. Instead of focusing purely on esports performance or cinematic visuals, it tries to deliver both experiences in one package through its dual-mode functionality. And honestly, it works surprisingly well. The combination of a gorgeous 4K QD OLED panel, exceptional motion clarity, deep OLED contrast, and the flexibility of switching to 330Hz for competitive gaming makes this one of the most versatile gaming monitors currently available. Of course, it isn't perfect. OLED brightness limitations still exist in very bright environments, and running Full HD on a 32-inch display won't look nearly as sharp as native 4K. It's also clearly a premium monitor that will likely demand a premium price tag. But if you're looking for a high-end gaming display that can handle both immersive AAA gaming and competitive esports, the Odyssey OLED G7 is a great choice. As for the price, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G7 retails for 66,999 pesos from Samsung Philippines. So, what do you guys think of the Odyssey OLED G7? Is this your dream OLED gaming monitor? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it fun or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit ukitech.com and all our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is the Samsung Odyssey OLED G7, Miguel T, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers!